Here's how to download HeyGen videos in 2 minutes. Today I will show you in a step-by-step guide why your download may include a watermark and the official way to get a watermark free export. Before you begin, the HeyGen watermark is an official free plan limitation, and this guide covers only the supported method for downloading videos without it. First, log into your HeyGen account and open the completed video you want to download. You'll see your dashboard with your video projects, then a project preview page with the download or export option. Before clicking download, check which subscription plan your account is using because this determines whether your video will include a watermark. Next, if you're using the free plan, click download and wait for the export to finish. When you open the download file, you'll see the official HeyGen watermark. This is expected because the watermark is included with all free plan exports and cannot be disabled through a setting or option. Then if you want to download a video without a watermark, upgrade your account to the creator plan or a higher plan that includes watermark-free exports. Once the upgrade is active, return to the original project instead of using a file you downloaded earlier. After that, click download or export again to generate a fresh copy of the video. Once the export finishes, download the new file. If your subscription includes watermark removal, the newly downloaded video will no longer display the HeyGen watermark. Now, if your video still has a watermark after upgrading, first verify that your paid subscription is active. Then reopen the original project and create a brand new export before downloading it again, since files exported before upgrading may still contain the watermark. If you don't see this option, there's another way. Refresh the HeyGen dashboard or sign out and back in. Confirm your paid plan is active under your account settings, reopen the original project, export it again, and download a new file. If the watermark still appears, contact HeyGen support and provide your project details for assistance. Once everything is set, free plan downloads will include the official HeyGen watermark, while creator plan or higher downloads will export without it. Following these simple steps makes downloading HeyGen videos quick and easy.